Hello everyone, I am Elijah. To be ready for the new normal, we will help you become familiar with the different tools that our students and course instructors or professors will use to communicate, collaborate, and organize paperless activities. To start with, we need to acquire a PSU email. The PSU email at psu.palawan.edu.ph is a service available to all currently enrolled PSU students in partnership with Google. This email will be provided by the Information, Communications and Technology or ICT office through your respective colleges. So, what are the perks of using our PSU email? Unlike a regular email account, PSU email has special privileges for students like us, which includes professionalism or institutional identity, greater file storage and file sharing capability, unlimited file storage for Google Drive, collaboration tools, no advertisement and a stricter spam filter, mobility and accessibility, and many more. At this point, let's proceed in setting up our PSU email.
To sign in with your Google account, you have to go to www.gmail.com. You will then be required to enter the university email and default password provided to you by your respective colleges. Afterwards, you will then be required to re-enter the password and to enter a CAPTCHA. Then, the Google TOS and privacy policy will appear. Just click Accept.
And there we go, we have completed the setup of our PSU email.
When we sign in, we will not just have an access on our email account, but as well as with other Google apps collectively known as G Suite. Now, let's navigate the features of the Google applications.
On the upper right area of your screen, you will see a 9 dots icon that says Google Apps. Here, you will have an access with your other G Suite applications.
To start with, we have Gmail, a web-based email service, Google Docs, like Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, like Microsoft Excel, Google Slides, like Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Drive, a file storage service where you can create, share, collaborate, and keep all your files, Google Forms, used for surveys and other basic information gathering activities, Calendar, intended to help keep track of time and schedules, Chat, a communication app that provides direct messages and team chat rooms,
Meet, a video conferencing application. Classroom, this is where our course instructors or professors and students can communicate easily, create classes, distribute work, and stay organized.
There we have it. We are now familiar with some important features of our G Suite account. Let's proceed on how are we going to join a class of our course instructors or professors. Actually, there are two ways to join a class.
First, we have to go to classroom.google.com. The first time you arrive at the Google Classroom website, if you have never logged in, you will see a screen like this. Click Go to Classroom button. Afterwards, you will then be prompted to log in with your PSU email. After you have entered your PSU email and password, click Continue. After that, be sure to click the I'm a Student button as your role so you can join your course professor or instructor's class. The first way to join a class is by invitation. If your course professor or instructor invited you to join a class, you will get an email invite through your PSU email. On the class card, click Join. The second way to join a class is by using a class code given to you by your course instructor or professor. All you need to do is click the positive sign near the top right portion of the page and select Join Class to join your course professor or instructor's class. Enter the class code and then click Join. You now have a virtual classroom with your course instructor or professor.
At this point, let us familiarize ourselves with the Google Classroom interface. Let's start in viewing Classroom.
Main menu. This will allow you to access all of your classes, calendar, student work, and settings. Classes. Here you can view all your classes. calendar. Here, you can view your calendar and keep track of your schedules to do. In this section, you can view all your work for all of your classes and the list of your classes. Archive classes. You will be able to view your archive classes. Settings. Here, you will be able to access your Google Classroom settings. This is where you can turn on or off your notifications. In this portion, we have the stream. The stream is where you will find announcements from your course instructor or professor, upcoming deadlines, and where you can post and comment. Classwork. The classwork page is where you will find your assignments, quizzes, and class materials. People. The people page is where you can see and reach out to your teacher and classmates. G Suite apps. This icon represents your G Suite apps. You can click on this icon to open other G Suite applications. Now, let's go over with the student stream portion where you will find announcements from your course professor or instructors, upcoming deadlines, and where you can post and comment. Here, you can view the following. Upcoming assignment deadlines will appear to the left sidebar. If your course instructor or professor will allow you to post, you will see a box like this at the top of the stream. Click in the box to share something with your class. Keep it appropriate. Your course instructor or professor may also post announcements like this in the stream. They may post notifications of new assignments in the stream. But you can always see your assignments on the classwork page that we will discuss in the next part of our video tutorial.
For now, this is the end of the part 1 of our tutorial. Stay tuned and don't forget to like our page and check on the links flashed on your screen. Thank you very much.